Dr. Evans, thanks for taking my call regarding Mrs. Albright, 72, who I referred to you last week. Her abdominal pain has persisted.
Yes, Mrs. Albright. We initially suspected diverticulitis, given her history and the left lower quadrant tenderness. Her CT scan was somewhat equivocal, showing some wall thickening but no clear abscess.
Precisely. The concern is, while the pain did improve marginally with antibiotics, it hasn't resolved. She's now reporting intermittent nausea, and her appetite remains poor. What's more, she's lost nearly 3 kilograms since I saw her last month, which is concerning. The inflammatory markers are still mildly elevated.
Yes, Mihira, that weight loss is indeed a red flag. When I examined her, the tenderness was less localized, more diffuse in the lower abdomen. We considered irritable bowel syndrome, but her symptoms are far too acute and persistent for that. Given the inconclusive CT and her ongoing systemic symptoms, particularly the weight loss, I'm now leaning towards a diagnostic laparoscopy. I think we need a definitive look.
I concur. My worry was always that we might be missing something more insidious.
Exactly. While diverticular disease is common, her presentation isn't entirely typical for uncomplicated diverticulitis, especially with the weight loss and persistent constitutional symptoms. It's about ruling out anything more serious definitively. Mihira, I know this role feels overwhelming, and I want you to hear this first. You don't have to be perfect at this. Just showing up, day after day, already means more than you realize. When you're with your son or daughter, try not to overthink what you should be doing. Sometimes the simplest things carry the most weight. If they're able, move their arms or legs gently with them, not like a therapist, but like someone who loves them. Let it be slow, even playful, if the moment allows. You might be surprised how a few minutes of that can shift their whole mood. And those personal items you're wondering about, yes, bring them. A worn-out sweater that still holds their scent, an old playlist, a photo of their dog, anything that whispers home to them. When their minds feel foggy, these small anchors can pull them back to themselves. Your words matter too, but they don't have to be profound. Just, I'm proud of you, or, rest now, I'm not going anywhere, can land deeper than any pep talk. And please, Mihira, don't forget to breathe. You're allowed to feel tired, frustrated, and even lost sometimes. That doesn't make you less loving, it makes you human. Let your child see you take breaks, eat properly, and cry if you need to. That honesty teaches them more about strength than any forced smile ever could. You're doing beautifully, even on the messy days.